How to choose your first car. Tips for beginners. Choosing your first car is an exciting event. It's not just a purchase, but an investment in comfort, safety, and freedom of movement. This process can seem complicated for beginners, so I want to share some tips to help you make the right choice. 1. Decide on the body type. Sedan, a practical and comfortable option for everyday trips. Examples: Lada Vesta, Hyundai Solaris, Volkswagen Polo. Hatchback, compact and maneuverable, suitable for the city. Examples: Kia Rio, Skoda Fabia, Renault Sandero. Station wagon, roomy, suitable for a family or travel. Examples: Lada Largus, Skoda Octavia Combi, Volkswagen Golf variant. Crossover, combines practicality and cross-country ability. Examples: Renault Captur, Hyundai Creta, Volkswagen Tiguan. SUV, suitable for off-road enthusiasts. Examples: Lada Niva, Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, Jeep Wrangler. 2. Set a budget. Cost is one of the main factors. It is not recommended to take out a loan for your first car, as this increases the financial burden. Determine the amount you are willing to spend and look for options in this category. 3. Choose the type of transmission. Manual, more reliable and economical, but requires driving skills. Automatic, convenient and easy to operate, but increases fuel consumption and maintenance costs. 4. Decide on the mileage. New cars have a warranty, but are more expensive. Used cars are more affordable, but require careful inspection. The best option for a beginner is a car with a mileage of up to 100,000 kilometers. 5. Pay attention to other factors. Engine power, 100 to 120 horsepower is sufficient for novice drivers. Fuel consumption, choose economical models. Safety, the presence of airbags, ABS, and ESP is mandatory. Equipment, choose the options you need. 6. Take your time choosing. Study information about different models. Take a test drive. This will help you understand if the car is right for you. Inspect the car before buying. Check the body, interior, engine, transmission. Ask for help from an experienced driver. 7. Useful tips. Don't chase cheapness. Remember, a miser pays twice. Consider your driving experience. If you are a novice driver, you should not choose a powerful car. Check the car's history. This can be done using special services. Don't be afraid to bargain. There is always an opportunity to bring down the price in the used car market. 8. Interesting facts. The best-selling car in the world is the Toyota Corolla. The first car was built by Carl Benz in 1885. The fastest car in the world, Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300 Plus, develops a speed of 490.484 kilometers per hour. 9. A bit of history. 1885, Carl Benz patents his three-wheeled car with a gasoline engine. 1908, Henry Ford launches production of the Model T, which becomes the first affordable car for the mass buyer. 1950s, development of the automotive industry in the USA, Europe, and Japan. 1970s, the oil crisis leads to the growing popularity of economical cars. 1990s, development of electric and hybrid cars. 2000s, the emergence of autonomous cars. The future of automotive engineering. 10.1. Autonomous cars. Autonomous cars are expected to become a mass phenomenon in the coming decades. They will be able to make roads safer and more efficient. Autonomous cars can change our way of life, freeing up time for other activities. 10.2. Electric cars. Electric cars are becoming increasingly popular due to their environmental friendliness. The development of battery technologies increases the range of electric vehicles. Governments are stimulating the development of electric vehicles by providing subsidies and tax breaks. 10.3. Hybrid cars. Hybrid cars are a compromise between gasoline and electric cars. They offer the benefits of fuel economy and reduced CO2 emissions. Hybrid cars can be a transitional stage to a complete transition to electric vehicles. 10.4. Other technologies. 3D printing can be used to create lighter and stronger car parts. 11. Impact on society. the future of automotive engineering can have a profound impact on society. Autonomous cars can lead to job losses in the taxi and freight industries. Electric cars can improve air quality in cities. New technologies can make cars more accessible to people with disabilities. 12. Conclusion: the future of automotive engineering looks very exciting. New technologies can change our way of life and make roads safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. 13. Examples: Tesla, a company that is a leader in the development and production of electric vehicles. Waymo, a company that develops autonomous vehicles. Uber, a company that provides taxi and freight services. 14. Recommendations: follow the news in the field of automotive engineering. Explore the possibilities of buying an electric car. Try using car sharing or self-driving taxi services. Remember, your first car doesn't have to be perfect. Over time, you will be able to save up for a newer and more advanced model. The main thing is to choose a car that meets your needs and budget. Artificial intelligence can be used to create smarter and safer cars. V2V, vehicle-to-vehicle, communication systems can be used to prevent collisions and improve traffic efficiency.